Hi TC Charma. Trying to make payment for your stock but misplaced your banking reference number? Don't stress about it. Here is an easy way to find your banking reference on the TC app. Simply log into your TC Connect app, then select the menu option. Next, tap on My TC Information and finally choose How do I pay? Here you'll find two clear options. If you're paying at a retail till point through Pay It, use the details under Deposit at Shoprite. Give the teller the unique TC number, which is 11047, then your depot unique number, for example, 1568, followed by your ID number or your passport without any letters. For all ATM payments or bank EFTs, use the details provided under Deposit at ATM for your reference. Remember to double-check your banking reference and pay the right way. Send a copy of the receipt to your manager immediately to guarantee your stock. Pay smart, earn more.